We're going to read the story Apples to Oregon. The story Apples to Oregon is a tall tale. A tall tale is a folk tale with unbelievable exaggerations, told as if it were true and meant to be humorous. So hopefully you find the story funny. While you're reading this story and thinking about all the exaggerations that are in it, I want you to practice the skill of visualizing. When you visualize, you picture something in your mind. Let me give you an example of something that's an exaggeration that you can visualize. His head hung out the front door and his feet hung out the back door. So this guy's trying to describe his brother. Well, that's a really tall kid. Now, that's an exaggeration, but that's an example of what you're going to be finding in this story, Apples to Oregon. So be looking for things like that as you're reading Apples to Oregon. I also found the story on YouTube if you want to listen to it as you're reading. There's an AR test that you're going to be taking on the story when you're finished. I'd like the AR test taken on Thursday or before Thursday because the story's not that long. You should be able to get it finished within 2 days. Enjoy reading it. It's a good story. You'll like it.